Traveling alone in Korea, need a restroom? Just leave your bag at the cafe table. Jogging alone before dawn. In Korea, it feels ordinary, but in the West, a similar scene once got an added pull. People said it looked far too dangerous. So why does safety look so different? Koreans often say their country feels safe. Surveys show most people feel fine walking in night, and global crime stats back this up. Violent crime is comparatively rare here, but it wasn't always this way. Through the 70s and 80s, crime was a bigger fear. Before the 1988 Olympics and 2002 World Cup, the government poured resources into security. That reshaped Korea's global image. Today, safety is reinforced by technology. Korea has one of the world's highest CCTV density, and almost every car has a dashcam. Even if no one is watching, the street is actually recorded. In the West, this sparks privacy concerns. Too much surveillance, too little freedom. But in Korea, the thinking is different. Is my privacy really that precious? If filming makes society safer, I accept that trade. This mindset creates deterrence. Knowing you might be filmed anywhere, anytime, that stops crime before it starts. Korean safety is not just police on patrol, it's psychology at work. And here is the funny part. There is barely any theft, but if you leave your bicycle outdoors, someone might still ride away with it. Here is what's even more surprising. Delivery packages left at your front door stay untouched. But no society is perfect. Korea still faces issues. Digital crimes, spy cams, and rural blind spots. Safety is rare, but challenges remain. Korea's safety isn't wrong. It's decades of effort, layers of technology, and a society willing to trade privacy for peace. To visitors, it feels extraordinary. To Koreans, it just feels normal. Want to know the real Korea? Just your question